Good afternoon, everybody. Mike Ehrlich from beautiful Delray Beach, Florida. Today I have the privilege of showing you a very clean 2018 29 Sea Ray Sun Deck. You're looking at twin Mercury 250s on the back. I mean, when I say it's nice, you can see my reflection in there. That's that cool swim step that the 290s have. Massive storage under this back seat. If you look at the still photos, you'll see how it pops up to sit more comfortably. Flip that switch, you got a huge storage there. Got the big drinking circle in there. Cool honeycomb upholstery. Nice wet bar with trash cans, storage for the lids, everything. The optional table. Cool little fiberglass table. Port side, under that seat, you have your cooler that will convey with the boat. Storage, and then you have your triple batteries and your battery switch, as well as the battery charger under that compartment. Big in-floor storage. Full covers, which you can see in the still photos. Big storage under this seat. Rockford Fosgate stereo. 197 hours. Digital throttle and shift. Trim tabs. It is a Dometic pump out head. You don't have to take it out of the boat to empty it. There is a fitting, countertop and sink, glove box, storage underneath the helm. All this upholstery is looking good. Please check out all the still photos. We also have an optional windlass on this boat. You have a freshwater system with a shower up forward here, another one at the transom, a sink, and a sink in the head. You've got the fold down tower, that is manual fold down, cup holders everywhere. In-floor storage, infinity woven carpeting. Call Mike Ehrlich at MarineMax, 954-684-1375. Thanks for checking her out.